to your favorite YouTube collaborators.
Channels, collaborators.
We're just here because you guys love us together.
Yes, the comments, the likes have been popping off.
You love to see it, apparently.
The people have been just begging
for more
another
content.
video.
So we're here. And what are we doing today, Maddie?
Today we have a very extra special video, I think. We're going to be reviewing Chamberlain Coffee!
So, we thought we would give you guys a little bit of a rundown on packaging, our thoughts, and then we are going to get into a hot taste test.
Yes. We're going to be doing the hot taste test, and then we're going to be doing Emma's special recipe, her cold brew that she makes with her coffee.
So stick around till the end because you know you don't want to miss that.
Don't want to miss it.
How could you want to miss that?
So basically, let us discuss. So Emma Chamberlain, if you don't know, I don't know why you would watch this video if you don't know who Emma Chamberlain is, but she is a YouTuber. She's like 18 or 19, I think. She's literally so young. But she's basically like the queen of YouTube, I would say. Like, she has a ton of followers.
She's much more of like an Emma stan than I am.
Yeah.
I dabble.
Yeah, I actually do think she is. Like, she's really funny. She's relatable. I just really enjoy her videos. I do think she's really funny. She definitely has that kind of like relatable teen type MO.
And Maddie loves her enough to pay for international shipping of her coffee. So
yeah, so speaking of the coffee, let's get into it.
Yeah.
So first of all, let me show you
the packaging.
The packaging. So let me just
really
make
sure that focuses.
Get
oh
that
yeah. Oh, that's the good stuff.
I hope you can see it. So I was explaining this to Kira earlier, but so the packages, the coffee, it comes in just like a regular like mailer, like a bag, and it's just these like
loose leaf packages.
Yeah, like just these, like nothing else. There's no packaging slip, there's no package to keep these all together. So I think that definitely accomplishes her goal, which she definitely wanted this to be, and she talks about it, she wanted these to be like renewable, sustainable, and all these, the packaging is all compostable.
Love
compostable.
That. Compostable.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and it says made using renewable and compostable materials, and it's made in California, so made in the US as well, which is cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. So just talking about like the aesthetics of the bag, I actually really like it.
Okay, it gives me very like early like 1900s England cottage vibes. No?
What?
That was like my first initial impression was like, I thought she would do something a lot like cooler.
Okay.
To me, it's like very like homey.
Yeah.
Like it looks like something that like your grandma would offer you in a way.
Okay. I mean, like, I definitely do think she does kind of talk about having kind of like a grandma style a lot.
Maybe
that's
it. And I don't even know that. So clearly her aesthetic is really reading.
Yes. So it's kind of like we've got some greens, some pinks. It has like the lips here, a little crown, very cute. The Instagram has like a great little aesthetic, which she also shouts out. She has the Instagram printed on her handle.
Great marketing. Way to go, Emma.
Very millennial. And then it has
She's not millennial. She's Gen Z.
How old are millennials?
The oldest millennials are 20. Or the youngest millennials are 23.
Excuse me, Gen Z. Okay, so, and which I pointed out to Kira earlier, the name of the roasting company is called Bixby Roasting Company, and I am from Bixby, Oklahoma.
Imagine that.
So it was meant to be, basically.
Clearly. So it says tasting notes of chocolate, cherry, and nuts, which I'm very intrigued because I don't really tend to taste like cherry and nuts.
Yeah,
in my coffee. So.
I'm allergic to nuts, so hopefully it doesn't.
Should we look up if there's like?
I think it's just coffee.
It's like hazelnut or something like that. Can you?
You know what? We're gonna find out, guys.
The whole video is a sham because you can't even taste it.
It's literally just me like having an allergic reaction on camera.
It's like, it turns into us like taking you to the hospital and getting you like.
So this says on chamberlaincoffee.com, filled with 100% specialty coffee, my bags are crafted for maximum quality, freshness, and convenience. Every steeped bag is micro-sealed nitro sealed inside packaging made from compostable and renewable materials. Its versatility allows you to make delicious hot coffee or, my favorite, cold brew. I hope you like it, Emma. And she has like a little message of she's obsessed with coffee, la la la. And that's also like a huge part of her videos is she's like obsessed with coffee. So with that in mind, I think you're probably ready to see
us. We're gonna do like a first reaction.
Yes.
We didn't put anything in this, so no sugar, no milk of any kind, plant-based or otherwise, and we're gonna give it like a good taste test on its own, and you guys get to capture this reaction organically. Firsthand. You're welcome. Maddie?
Should I do the honors?
Do the honors, please.
Okay. Well, first of all, let me just show you this.
It's like a tea bag.
It's literally a tea bag. Well, I mean, it's a coffee bag.
Yeah.
It's a steeped coffee bag. But it's huge.
It is really large. As you saw when Maddie dunked it in and it overflowed.
Yeah. Okay, so first of all, let me get a little whiff there. Okay, like
it smells like nice diner coffee.
Yeah, like it smells
not in a
good.
Bad way, but it reminds me of like a diner.
Do you think we steeped it long enough?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
We were definitely talking and like arranging for more than 5 minutes.
Okay, more than 5 minutes. Okay. You need to steep it for 5 minutes, it says. So I thought the bags themselves like smelled really good. Mm-hmm. Like they definitely smelled really good. Like of course like it's coffee, but I'm not just my socks are not knocked off by immediately by the smell. Like
literally just a nice cup of diner coffee is what it smells like.
Okay. I feel like this is gonna be so hot. Okay. Here we go, guys.
Oh, I'm nervous.
I know you're on the edges of your seats.
I'll imagine.
Okay.
She's so disappointed.
There's not a lot of flavor.
All right, did we put too much water perhaps?
No, because I mean, that's like 8 ounces.
Yeah, maybe 12, right?
Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Maybe we should steep it a little longer.
It's literally like
I'm also
coffee, hot water.
I'm also wondering how, because for us, like, I only drink espresso in
That's true.
France, so I'm also curious if that's kind of like
dulled or heightened,
or
like, whichever.
Or I'm like, where's the flavor? Like, we don't really ever drink like a
cup of
coffee.
Do you know what it reminds me of? Is like if you go to breakfast in America and they have that it's like a wannabe American diner in Paris.
Yeah.
And they have like unlimited coffee for €2 or something.
Yeah.
It tastes just like that, and that's not necessarily a compliment.
Right. Because this is a good little segue. The price. So you can I bought 10 bags for $20. So that is $2 per bag if my math is checking out.
I didn't verify. So.
Yeah. So that is that's quite pricey for making coffee at home.
I mean, because I buy like packs of 10 little knockoff Nespresso pads, and it's maybe like $3.50 for 10.
Right.
So.
And even from the Nespresso store, like the real ones, like I got 50 pods for $20, like at the store.
That's quite good.
So it's like.
It feels a bit overpriced.
Yes. And some people were like,
cheaper than Starbucks though. Cheaper than Starbucks.
But it's like if you go to Starbucks, someone else is making it for you.
That's
This is me making it at home, and think of how much like a tea bag would cost. Like 30 cents, 20 cents. So with that, I'm kind of like, I will say it would be like a nice product to have if you were ever like traveling and you're like, I just want to take a coffee with me to go. I don't know. But I'm like, I don't know what would. I just like can't.
It's like they have these in hotel rooms already.
Yeah. But I've never seen like a steeped coffee bag before. Like I've seen like coffee.
I suppose.
I think the steeped coffee bag is like kind of a unique idea.
But do you know, I was saying to Maddie, I actually don't think it is, because my friend from Japan brought me these little coffees, and it's the same thing. You have to steep it. So I think
Wait,
just
what? You never said it was a steeped coffee bag.
Let me see. I'll go check. Isn't that the same thing?
It's literally the same thing.
And these are like from Japan. I just haven't, shout out Claire. Just still haven't drank these. But no, yeah, it literally like shows you.
It's literally the same
fully
thing.
steeped coffee. So.
And this smells damn good.
Oh my god, this smells delightful.
Ooh, okay. I have high hopes for the cold brew.
I do too. Try this one again. And also we're gonna add some oat milk and sugar maybe and see if this rectifies the situation. Because to be fair, most people don't just drink a cup of coffee black.
Yeah.
It's still bad.
I mean, like, it's not bad. Like, it's like...
Sure.
It's literally... Okay, this is the thing, though. It tastes like a cheap, like, regular coffee.
Yeah.
So I'm like, why would I pay $2 for this?
And the shipping.
And the shipping. It's because I shipped it to France because I'm an idiot, So... We have assembled our ingredients. We're still optimistic. We're still positive.
Mm-hmm.
Like
we really think the cold brew is going to be the turnaround. Yes,
because I have watched a few reviews who have done the cold brew and they've really liked it and been like, oh, there's good flavor. And this has been brewing legit since last night. Yeah, and it's maybe 4 p.m. the next day. So has had plenty of time to flavorize, marinate, just soak up all that goodness. Yes. So this is how Emma makes it. She puts it in a jar, and she puts 3 bags. I think it's like around like 600 milliliters. And then she says she leaves it overnight, hence the cold brew in the fridge, cold water, the coffee, and this is how she makes it. Which also, let me just add this note in. So this is $6 of coffee in this jar. Yeah, that's a lot. Like I already used 3 bags like for this. Yeah, I think that's a Starbucks. Yeah. All right, so let's get into it. We have our little aesthetically pleasing mason jars. Yes, very cute, and that's what Emma drinks out of, a mason jar. So we're just being really authentic. We're like really sticking to her plan. We're just trying to really do that, I like do not trust myself to pour this at all. I'm a bit worried as well, to be fair. Maybe we should transfer it to. I have a funnel. Get that funnel, girl! Alright. Thought to capture. Okay. Okay, so Kira has just procured a ladle for us because we don't want to like it's coffee and stain. Drops it on Lance's injury. What's really interesting right now is you can I feel like you can smell the chocolate so much. Because it says there's like notes of chocolate. And a bit of cherry as well. Yeah, I definitely feel like this smells a lot better than the and much stronger as well. And Emma, my girl Emma, we're on first name basis. She says that this is literally like the best cold brew in the world. To be fair, I've only had like 1 or 2 other cold brews in my life. Okay, this is what I was going to talk to you about. Cold brew to me, like I affiliate cold brew with like, if I want to get like my shit rocked, like if I am like so tired, if I have an exam, like I'm going to go get a cold brew. Like I've only had like 2 cold brews in my life and it makes me insane. Oh, it didn't make me insane. I just got tired. I felt like I crashed. Anyway, Kira's gonna ladle us some. I feel like this is not gonna go well. So I brought Oatly because I'm literally an Oatly. Because my oat milk is not good enough for her. I'm literally an Oatly stan. Like it's the best oat milk I've ever had. I'm excited. I've never had Oatly, Oh my god! Because I got into oat milk when I moved to France, and the oat milk that I have is like that Swedish brand, Bjorg. I've never tried that, so maybe it's good. It is good. We're gonna do a little taste test, I think, out of this. Okay. Off camera, of course. Off camera. Okay, let me just give her a little shake. Shake. I've never tried that brand though, so. It's okay. Okay, it's just in my pants, don't worry. Yeah, no, it's fine, okay, so I've never tried that brand, so maybe it's really good. Okay, cool, so now that it's all over me, let me just pour her up. And also note, Emma and her recipe, I will link the recipe down below. The recipe that she uses down below on her channel, okay? So a little in here. Oh, you'll link the video from her channel that describes everything about coffee. I will link the channel. I will give her a little link-a-rooski. Yeah, maybe I would say maybe a tad more. What do you think? A little bit more? I think that's good for me. All right, okay. So here we go. And also, do we want to mix? Yeah, we can mix it. And also, so Emma uses almond milk, and she also uses a creamer. But I was like, I don't ever use creamer.
No, I only use oat milk.
So we're like, nah. Okay, you know what? Here's the moment of truth. Santé.
Santé.
I mean, like, okay.
Like, I'll add some sugar.
Yeah, I mean,
the thing is like, when I had cold brew before, it didn't taste good.
Yeah,
and my impression of cold brew is that it's not really, you don't drink cold brew. You don't drink cold brew for the flavor. You drink it because you need the caffeine, I feel like.
Right.
So maybe it's just that we have high expectations of this being like good coffee when it's really just meant to be like caffeine and high energy. Like, I don't want it to seem like we're trashing
because like
the coffee.
I think I'm looking for more like richness.
It just doesn't taste like
it's like, okay,
it's very flavorless to me.
I'm like, okay, like, it's a coffee, like, sure. And it's like a watery, like,
it tastes very watery. I think that's what it is to me.
And then I'm like in my mind, I'm like, is it because I'm so used, because even in the US, like, I've had an espresso machine for like quite a while in the US also. Yeah. So I'm like, I only ever drink like espresso. So
my second sip was better.
Like, I'm not like, I don't like hate it. Like,
I would never purchase it.
No. I don't think I'd ever buy it again.
Tea.
I mean, because also it's like, why would I pay, like, to make these two, there's a little bit left. It literally costs like $6.
Yeah, I mean, it seems like quite pricey for what you get. And if you're really someone who, like, she claims to be such a coffee lover and things, I just think that I expected more.
No, I totally respect I feel like a lot of YouTubers probably think about, like, what's next, like, how am I gonna
100%. Like, props to her for being, like, a young businesswoman.
Yeah.
By no means are we trashing her. I just think, and it's also a new business.
Yeah, we're growing.
All businesses have growing pains in the beginning. Yes. I think in a year, I would love to maybe revisit it if someone else purchased it for me, and try it again and see if it's been, like, tweaked, improved. But as for now, would I purchase it? Absolutely not. Yeah.
So I would say let's give just like our ultimate final thoughts. Thoughts. I think the packaging, the concept of trying to be sustainable is great.
Love that. Any business that is starting now, there's no reason you shouldn't be sustainable right now.
Yes,
I feel like.
I completely agree. I think the packaging is cute. I think
very on brand for her.
Yes, on brand. It's a good idea, I suppose, like, in theory.
No, like, from a marketing standpoint, it's great.
Yes.
My overall thoughts are, like, I'm just disappointed.
Yeah.
Like, I wanted more from it. So, that's really all I have to say. I don't want to be mean.
I also, like, I don't know, do people just, like, are people more used to drinking something else? Like other, because the reviews
do people like it?
Yeah, people, the reviews are like, maybe I'll link some of the reviews below that
are they paid?
No, but they're literally just like.
Did they get the product sent to them?
No, they're literally people who like bought the products and they're like, oh my gosh, I really like it. So then I'm like, is it because they're not even people with a lot of like clout or followers, you know?
Maybe they're just lying.
Yeah, maybe they're just like.
Or maybe they have different taste buds.
Yeah, because I'm like, I really
just different taste buds.
I really do think it's a thing of like, I'm looking for that like rich espresso flavor.
But also, to be fair, like, the actual coffee has zero flavor.
Yeah.
Like, even by, like, American standards, like, a cup of coffee that my parents would make me would taste better than that.
A good old cup of Folgers.
Yeah, a good old cup of Folgers
has more flavor than that.
Do you right.
And you're not going to pay $2 per...
You can get the Costco one of them.
Per pop. So, Emma, I love ya. I'm going to keep watching your videos, but
as far as the coffee goes, maybe work on improving it or... start another business venture.
Yep, this is not...
I don't think this is the move.
I don't think this was the move.
But in conclusion,
thanks for watching.
Thanks for sticking around this long.
We hope that you enjoyed this. We hope it's helpful.
Comment down below if you think that we're just being crazy. Like, if you've tried it, what you think.
Did we do something wrong? Like, did we make it wrong?
I don't think so,
but let us know.
Just give us all your opinions in the comments below.
Yes.
Like this video. And subscribe to both of our channels.
Yes. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.